begin our vlog in Rameshwaram. We found nice cafe for our breakfast. I mean, we will see if it's nice, but we start with the breakfast. We've got one veg puff and two samosas that were served with ketchup, and here in these regions they always cut samosas in half. Well, we shall see how it is. For now we have that. We are still waiting for chai and hopefully it's tasty.
And I think now we are waiting for chai, but mostly, as we know, they are giving chai after the food. So I think I should tell him to bring the chai now.
Oh yes, that's so true.
Yeah, because I'm waiting, but I think they won't.
We all the time forget about it.
And as Gabby says, we have everything cutted, so we can just eat it now.
We can share. Later on we'll be exploring Rameswaram's temples and beauty.
Yeah. Okay, we have our chai.
Yes,
apparently.
so no need to remind.
Yes.
Anyway, we will be exploring Rameshwaram's beauty, so let's get done with this,
And
so then we can move on.
Yeah, go for the Rameshwaram. At Abdul Kalam's house.
We've been to Abdul Kalam's memorial. It looks really beautiful from the outside and it's really well maintained and prepared, but there is no permission to take any pictures or videos
Even
on
not
the inside.
from phone, nothing. So.
Yes, so we just can show you the outside. Here is the beautiful look of the whole monument, and now we are visiting his house. So apparently here online it's said to be able to record. We will see how is the truth, if we will be allowed or not.
And one tip who is coming by car, don't come by car to this house because they have really narrow,
very consecutive area.
Yes, narrow streets. So what you should to do, get a bike or get a rickshaw, because rickshaw drivers are getting in easily and they know where to get out. So
yeah, it is a really easy way for autos, so just get a tuk-tuk and easily the driver will help you. There's no need to hustle, no need to try saving 50 rupees, because with car you can really get stuck. We have just seen two cars.
They are just moving from half hour like this, just like this.
Because they drove to some point, and from that point you can't get any further
and you can't even reverse.
Precise maneuvering. Well, let's go in. Let's see the house. We just left the exhibition. It was really small. There are just national awards.
What I see is just national award, and they just made up. So
yeah, some of the achievements of Abdul Kalam, but everything you can find in the memorial as well.
Area inside. There is not much air even. They have only one AC. And it's a lot of people, and they have only one stairs to go.
Google, unfortunately, is having outdated information, because at this moment no phone, no cameras are allowed there.
Yeah.
Like, they will not check it. There is no security, as for example in Taj Mahal. But there is a very rude and offensive guy who just shouts at you without sense. If he only sees phone or camera in your hand, even if you're not using it, he's extremely rude. And that was so much upsetting. I was feeling so awkward and unwanted in this place. So I think it's better you just visit
go to memorial, because memorial it's prepared really big, huge,
as we
nicely
say,
preserved.
Here streets are very consecutive, so it's even hard to get here. Better don't take the rickshaw, don't take nothing, don't come here.
Just go to the memorial. They have really huge, nicely preserved everything, prepared
and you
nicely.
can learn enough about Abdul Kalam's history, the 11th president of India, from there. Here is just a small addition.
Even it's one stair, and which is like one stairs is like for exit and entry, both the same time.
It is very well known, since this was his childhood home, but now it lost the grace, I think, and it became proper tourist trap, according to me. Well, let's move on, because we have many temples and hopefully also the beach to discover today.
The main beauty of the Rameshwaram is still waiting for us, so let's go.
Also, this is the Ram's Tirtham. Here are many Tirthams in this area. I think I found around 5, which are the best to visit, and I can paste for you here the list. You can choose by yourself. We will be focusing today on the Rameswaram Temple itself and Danushkodi, but this Tirtham is something on our way, so we wanted to visit it. It's very much near to the Abdul Kalam's house, so if you are visiting that site, it is worth to come 300 meters further and see something
And in
beautiful.
the front of this, they have a small, nice lake. Not
Yes.
lake. How is it called?
This is a puja lake. There
Puja lake,
for performing
Kund.
rituals.
Yeah, I think it's Kund.
Exactly. So here are many of these type of places, and these all Tirthams are very old archaeologically, so you can also see some rare piece of architecture from the past.
Let's go to the Kund, yeah?
But also here you can see this is the pond where you can perform, like there used to be, perform rituals.
Yes, it's exactly in the front of the...
Rameswaram Temple, and there in the middle of the pond you also have a special place prepared.
Yeah, and here they are selling some kind of puffed
rice.
rice.
So most likely
and
there is also fish in this pond.
Yeah, or
most
they are
likely.
doing some
Offering.
offerings. We don't have any idea, so...
But the stall is right beside the
Yeah.
temple and the pond. So
And there is 2 stalls. One is just for jewelry for women, of course, everywhere. Some nice. And second is for ritual things. So
Yes. And there is one more stall which we are heading right now. We
For
can buy
soda.
soda, banana fry, and some pakoras. We are going for soda.
Only soda,
as you
yeah.
mentioned, and
only
we are
soda
going
will be
for
good,
soda.
yeah.
Let's go. Our bike is popular. So Dosto, our bike is very popular.
Yeah. One salty lemon soda, one sweet lemon soda. Yeah? So we are getting our sodas, and Gabby wants to try this banana chips, I guess, or bhajia, whatever we can call. Bhaji. Yeah, banana bhaji.
We will be trying it.
You see how they have? Check, it's in his hand.
Okay, it's from a raw banana,
Yes,
looks like.
like a green one here.
Yes,
It's a green banana.
and fried in the oil.
Yeah.
And then they look like this.
You want to try? No, ek bhaji, please. You can take it. Take a paper.
Okay.
Serve yourself.
Paper. And from this, yes,
This or that. This will be hot, so be careful.
I think will be better hot.
Yeah.
So we have one banana bhaji. It is hot, it is red.
It's like a
Smells
bhajia.
nice. Of course. Let's. Ooh, it's very hot.
Okay, our soda is getting ready, so we should to get to it. Tell me the taste. You prefer onion bhajia or this?
Definitely, raw banana bhaji is better than banana fry, which is like a yellow banana in it.
Yeah, of course.
We tried one like that. It wasn't really our flavor.
Sweet. It's for you.
Oh, my sweet soda is here.
Try and tell how it is. It's with ice even little.
That's why even with ice, it's really good.
Mine is here.
Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
We are in Rameshwaram at the end point of India.
With
you
our
can
Lakshmi.
park basically till the tip, so Lakshmi is also with us. And in the end point, and ocean surrounding this place is so beautiful. Well, as you see, sun is giving its vibe. That's why I'm fully covered with my dupatta not to burn. Even though I applied sunscreen at home, it's not enough. And well, we'll be seeing everything that you can see here at the tip of India. So, Dosto, we are now in the end point of India.
Yes,
Basically, the furthest you can go.
and that one I guess is no man's zone, and then after that land you will be see the Sri Lanka basically. So there is nowhere to go.
Yes, so we reached the last part of India from Gujarat, over 3,500 kilometers.
We made it to the end, and now we will be go back to the our lovely India.
And as we are discussing together, this is one of the places that is like a lifetime achievement to come here.
Yeah.
And we'll definitely remember it for a long, long time.
Yeah, because as you see, Kanyakumari, Rameshwaram, and Amritsar. These 3 points we were counting is the main gonna be because it's the
From
border coverage, border area, some sensitive, our feelings also, emotions is attached with this.
So already 2 are done.
But Amritsar is long to go, so I think more 6,000-7,000 kilometers
Stay
we need
tuned
to
for
do.
that. For now, let's continue exploring Rameshwaram. We are exploring the tip of India. There is some rocky part. Now we are on the sandy part.
Yeah, it's little bit tricky.
And we are catching Sri Lankan roaming.
Yes, literally I have a network and I get message from Vodafone. Hi, welcome to Sri Lanka. Enjoy your roaming. And I have internet now. I guess from Sri Lanka.
How does it work? Is it fast?
Oh, incoming voice call. I guess it works. Good. Apparently it's not cold at all. It's really hot. Really. Whoa. You should come in. You should really come in.
I don't want.
It's really warm. Come.
So Dosto, we made it to Hanumanji Panchmukhi Temple.
Yes.
Here you can find the floating stones that were used by Ramji and Hanumanji to cross ocean to Sri Lanka. So
Sri
they are
Lanka, not Sri Lanka. Lanka.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's about past.
They are still floating on the water, and you can literally see it in there. Unfortunately, again, photography is not allowed, but of course, you need to respect this type of sacred places.
But it's really nice, pure place. You can feel the vibe and everything is nice.
Also,
peace.
there is the all 5 avatars of Hanumanji.
Yeah, like Panchmukhi.
There is a 5-face figure of him.
Yes.
So that's everything is here. It is a little bit difficult to find. Like Google Map will guide you directly to this place, but you may get confused which of the temples around here it is, because you have one temple here, you have something else on the other side of the road, and little further there is a really well prepared residency that also looks like it could have been a place for the floating stones.
But if you go according to the map, you will be find it easily. And
as you see here, it's like a blue metal barrack with no parking on it.
No parking, just find the no parking.
Place is no parking, and that's where the Panchmukhi Hanumanji temple
But
is.
one thing I'm
located.
surprised, like another temples are really huge, too many boats, and really.
This one is very modest. It's
This
just
one is like simple, no gate,
simple.
even there is not at all like a big temple gate, nothing. Simple, you go in, that's it.
proper Hindu temple.
Yeah, proper Hindu.
One of the meanings, it is.
Yeah, but it was really nice. Now next we are going our last point of Rameshwaram Temple. Yeah?
Of Rameshwaram tour, which is Rameshwaram Temple, exactly. There we will see how much we can show you, Dosto. The temple itself is stunning, so we can't wait to see it even from the outside. So Dosto, as you see behind us, us, we made it to the Rameswaram Temple.
Yes,
so
and you can
beautiful
see
inside.
we get blessings already. Our
Yes, so we share it with you, Dosto Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri
And
Ram. Har
we
Har
hope
Mahadev.
you will receive also some of the blessings through our video. We wish all the best to you.
For each and everyone who is supporting, not supporting even
This temple is one of the 4
dams
dams
of our
and also
India.
one of the 12 Jyotirlinga temples. We really love it inside. You can see all the beautiful carvings. You can see many avatars in this temple.
It's really peaceful.
So much. People are also taking baths. You can order a special darsham or quick darsham where
Yeah.
you go faster or
Quick
you have
was
extra.
100, special was 200 rupees, and for bath you must pay 25. But if you don't want to take a bath like us, you just go free of charge. Nothing is
No problem. The free darshan is available from 6:20 p.m. Before that, the same route is paid. Prufku, please don't.
Don't
Okay.
punch me, otherwise I am okay with you.
We have a
Let her eat then. So
there
sorry
was
for
a
disturbance.
Small cow. Sorry for the disturbance. We
Yeah.
moved aside. So the free darshan is available from 6:20. Before that, the same darshan is paid
50
and
rupees.
it's 50 rupees from 5 a.m.
Yeah, 5 till 6,
Yes.
50 rupees. And
Non-Hindus are not allowed in this temple, so if you are purely a tourist, you can enter only till certain point, and then
Then
you
you
cannot
should go
enter
back.
to the further avatars. What was a very pleasant surprise to us was an elephant in this temple who is also giving blessings, but only for money. So this is like kind of
Not
you know,
temple things.
to us it's very tacky behavior, but well, whatever they please. Otherwise, really amazing, and definitely come here, get the blessings
Yeah.
if you are Hindu.
It's really important. So,
Or
and
if
the
you are
best, like we
also
did,
it's very, very beautiful.
we
to
did
admire
like
from
this,
the
that we
outside.
put everything, phone, everything in the locker, and we just go by ourselves without nothing.
Even slippers we left near to locker,
Yes.
because you see behind us here is a lot of crowds. They are all entering the temple. So
And, when
to
you
not
don't
get your
have-
slippers kicked, better leave it by
When you
the
don't
locker.
have phone or something, you really feel not distracted and just getting the blessings.
So we encourage you to leave your phone outside, even though for the beginning or part of the entrance you can still take some pictures. But we encourage you not to, just focus on the religious path, get the blessings, and don't disturb.
Enjoy the peace of the temple. Nothing else.
Exactly. Well,
Thing is like this, that when you go in and you need locker or dressing room for changing after kund, there is available in the temple surroundings, like locker is 50 rupees.
yes, near
Dressing,
every entrance we
yes,
see lockers.
dressing the room, like dressing for change, it's 20 rupees. You can just go to kund, then back change, and then go for darshan. So there's little information for
Everything
you guys.
is well organized overall, so don't worry.
Yes.
Carry change with yourself, because we also wanted to purchase prasad. There was a pongal for 20 rupees, laddu for 30 rupees, but uncle doesn't give change. So we unfortunately had only 100 rupees bills and 500 rupees bills, so we didn't get it. But if you want to get prasad, also keep that in mind. And well, this will be it for our day in Rameshwaram. We hope you enjoyed the vlog and like this video. Well, subscribe to the YouTube channel to not miss out on the next amazing places in India. And well, we are very proud to reach the end point.
Yeah, really.
And now we'll be moving with Lakshmi further.
And coming back to India,
Yes.
like from end. Yeah.
See you
See you in the next vlog.
video. Bye.